Yes, hello. Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. We are here again to my channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. Good morning. I'll prepare again today chicken with yogurt. It's different again, different ways of yogurt because I cut into 4 pieces. Yes, because I need to quickly cook, so we can cut 4 pieces. Yeah, yeah, look, cut 4 pieces the chicken. Yeah, and then slice little bit. Yeah, and we have 2 pieces of yogurt. This is a yogurt, and 2 pieces of garlic, and 1 pieces of onion, and half pieces of lemon, and I put the turmeric, black pepper, ginger powder. Yeah, I just calculated how much I wanted to put. Yes, it's about 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of garlic. I know, half teaspoon of this one, ginger. Yes, and we mix that potato and garlic, carrots, and the other one is marrow, the kusa. Yes, guys, and I put some also half of chicken cubes. Yeah, I'm saying that my chicken cubes. This one is I only put the half of cubes. Yeah, because I put also the soy sauce. The soy sauce is 1 spoon, not too much, because we put the half of chicken cubes. Then marinate this one as 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour if you have a lot of time, but if you don't have a time, you can only marinate a half hour. And leave the oven is 180 to for 45 minutes or more than 45 minutes. Yes. I will show you again later, guys. It will be cooked. Nice and good smell because we put the garlic and onion. Yes, and later on we put the water. We need the water because it's boiling in the oven as 45 minutes. Yeah, that's why we need the water. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy our lunch. Later. Bye bye.